My name is William Pilbara, a proud Zimbabwean who was born in Mashonaland West in 1972, to a career civil servant and a teacher. After my education in Chennai and Harare, I worked for some 5 years with an accounting firm, before joining an international company that I spent 21 years with in Zimbabwe, the UK, South Africa, and most recently in China, where I served as a senior finance executive. I'm back home because I share with all of you a deep love for my country and for my fellow Zimbabweans. I am in this fight because this is our country and this is our heritage. In my view, fixing our country so that the hopes and dreams of the children of this great nation can be fulfilled is not rocket science. And we must send a clear and unequivocal message that the full participation of every citizen in deciding the future of our country and rebuilding it is essential. And we must vote into office at every level inspired, competent and selfless individuals who will build a nation whose greatness will astonish the world. I am proud to be the Vice President of the Build Zimbabwe Alliance, a party founded on Christian values, where decisions are filtered through this value set to decide what is right and wrong, and where the well-being of all Zimbabweans is valued above what is politically expedient or what benefits the few. I am here to fight for all Zimbabweans, Zimbabweans in their villages who have been kept in the prison of poverty for the past 37 years, our entrepreneurs in the informal sector who can be the backbone of a healthy economy, and all those who are desperate to apply their talent to deliver for all of us the services and products we need. Our manifesto makes it clear that we will build a great nation by unleashing the incredible potential and promise of the Zimbabwean people. A BZA government will free the President's hand to appoint cabinet ministers not just from a restricted parliamentary pool, but from the deep and broad reservoir of highly competent Zimbabweans who can make up an effective government fit for the modern age. Our nation deserves the best government we can have, and the scale of the challenges we must solve cannot be tackled by anything less. We need passionate leaders, leaders who are not obsessed with power or self-preservation, but with leaving a substantial legacy to the generations that will come. The patronage system, the breakdown in the rule of law, unsound economic policies, lack of accountability and widespread corruption has caused immeasurable damage to our economy, and it has cost lives. The BZA will provide an honest and competent government who will earn the privilege to hold power by delivering for you and for all Zimbabweans. Zimbabwe, ilizwe lethu, ilifa lethu. Zimbabwe, nike yedu, naka yedu. Zimbabwe, our country, our heritage.
Kudurarame, manya nepiza,